Okay, we're going to solve the problem. Martha's granola recipe calls for 1.5 cups of oats per batch. Today she is making a lot of granola, 2.5 batches. So how many cups of oats will she need? Well, we know that 1.5 cups of oats make one batch, so this is batch 1, 1 and 1/2. This would be batch 2. And we're actually not making batch 3, but this is what batch 3 would look like. We want to cut this batch in half. So we need to cut these pieces into smaller pieces. So what I see is if I cut this half piece in half, again, I'll have 4 pieces. And 2/4 make 1/2. So we're going to use fourths, and 4/4 makes 1/2. So I can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1/4 pieces. And 6 can be divided by 2 to equal 3. So if we take away 3, we have 3 left. So 3/4 pieces to make half of one batch. And to find the total amount that we need, we have 1 cup, 2 cups, 1.5 makes, or 2 halves make 1/2, so 3 cups, and total we have 3 3/4 cups of oats to make her 2.5 batches. Now another way to do this can be with fraction circles, and we have 1.5 for one batch, another 1.5 for 2 batches, and then again for the third batch, if we were making 3 batches, it would look like that, but we need to cut this in half. So we're going to cut them into smaller pieces. I can see that if I cut the half in half, I can come up with fourths. So we have 4th pieces that can cover over all of these. So we still have 1.5 to have one full batch, but we still need to cut this in half. So I can see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1/4 pieces, and if I take 3 away, I still have 3 left. So we're just going to get rid of all of these. So now I can see that I will have 1, 2, 3 and 3/4 cups to make 2.5 batches.